symphony of flavors served unlimited. Yes, today we have brought Buddy at the table to this beautiful, exotic, royal restaurant called Rasmanthan, and I have Vandita who heads the brand marketing for this particular restaurant. Vandita, welcome to Buddy at the table.
So Rasmanthan itself stands for the churning of flavors.
True.
You know,
True.
which is what you
Ras
experience.
and Manthan.
Yes, that's what it is.
Yeah.
So when you come actually on the table, that is what we present to you as well.
Get onto this concept.
To come up with something which talks about flavors and the churning.
Absolutely.
You know.
Correct.
So
correct.
Rasmanthan itself stands for the churning of flavors.
True.
You know,
True.
which is what you
Ras and
experience.
Manthan.
Yes, that's what it is.
Yeah.
So when you come actually on the table, that is what we present to you as well. When I talk about the brand serves Rajasthani and Gujarati cuisine overall that you'll experience on the plate, and it's an unlimited experience that you will get. What makes us stand out overall is, I think, this beautiful plate that you can see on your table.
It's
I think
amazing.
that's mesmerizing to look at once you sit at the table, and the first thing you see is this beautiful Kansa thali.
Correct, correct.
So
This I have not seen in any of the restaurants, and I think, I mean, what was your entire idea of using kansa or copper brass as a serving material?
So the thing is, no, everybody claims and proclaims to be serving the royals experience, to every guest that walks into their restaurant. But we wanted it to be authentic. We
Correct.
wanted people to actually experience it when they walked into Rasmanthan. So Kansa, the reason for serving it is one, it's a forgotten thing.
Correct,
People
correct.
have forgotten what Indian culture used to be.
True.
So we wanted to bring back every possible element in the restaurant that can reminisce them, to take them back to the time of the Maharajas and the royals.
Correct, correct.
So Kansa is very good for digestion.
Yes, I mean the
also.
health benefits also comes with it.
So when you sit and when you eat in a Kansa thali, you don't feel heavy. That's the beauty of it.
True.
Even though you're eating a thali full of immense food that is coming on your table, but once you'll move out from this place, there'll always be a smile on your face.
Yes, yes.
You don't feel like, oh my God, I've eaten so much, I need to sleep now. No, that feeling doesn't
Thali
come.
plate ही इतना अच्छा लग
Exactly.
रहा है. Once it gets filled, I can imagine how
Yeah.
absolutely stunning and palatable it's going to be.
Yeah, so that was one of the benefit for us to bring in, and also to give you a feeling of royalty when you walk in, so because the gold color brings that out automatically,
Yes,
I think.
yes.
And the Maharajs, when they used to dine back then, they always were served in Kansa for the purpose,
True,
because
true,
they had to
true.
be fit and they had to be
Correct.
healthy and
Correct.
ruining out. So
Correct.
that's the whole point of bringing this onto the
Absolutely.
table. So the first selection was done by us for Kansa to bring back the benefits of health that used to be there as well. So yeah, that was the purpose of getting this thali in. That's what I wanted to first talk
And
about.
Vanda, the serving is unlimited, right?
Yeah.
So now tell me, I mean, it's always been there on my mind that when it is unlimited, how does your staff know that who needs what? Because otherwise it's a chaos, because there are so many tables, so many plates. So how do they communicate between each other, or what's the
Yes.
magic?
I think that's the best question you've posed so far. I love talking about this bit because I pride in my staff,
Yeah.
There's a word called manwar, which is used in Rajasthani and Gujaratis. Manwar means they just hold their hands and they bow
Yeah,
down to you
yeah.
and bring back the Indian culture through that.
Yeah.
Manwar means serving you with utmost gratitude
Okay.
with what you'll experience at Rasmanthan when you walk in as well.
Okay.
Now, yes, so when the restaurant is full and when everybody's asking for anything because
Yeah,
there are
true.
so many dishes being served, the best part is we don't shout out, we don't talk. There's a sign language that
Oh,
we've
wow.
developed internally.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So our colleagues don't go around and say, hey bhai, get this for me. Hey
Correct,
bhai, ye
correct,
leke aa jao.
correct,
No.
yeah.
So there are various sign languages developed, like this sign stands for sabzi, this sign stands for desserts.
Wow.
So that is how they communicate amongst each other in the restaurant, even from one corner to the other. If anything is finished on a guest table, that is
Amazing.
how they talk.
But
is
for
how the
that,
food-
even they have to be so
Yeah.
alert about
Yeah.
what is being required on what table. Yeah, I mean, y'all are taking hospitality to a very different level altogether.
Thank you. But I think it's beautiful how these people dedicate themselves to the business,
No, correct.
and they are an immensely important part of
Yeah.
our thing, because we are back of the office, but they are leading the front.
Correct, and
for us.
they put
So-
forward culture.
Yes.
They put forward tradition.
Oh my God, that's so true. I think you said the right words for me,
Correct.
which I associate with the brand as well.
They are the brand ambassadors
They
in the
are,
true
they
sense.
are. I agree, and we are so lucky that we have the best team around, to help
Yeah.
us out with it, because we are honestly sitting in our offices and working while
Correct.
these guys are on
Correct.
ground and
Right.
taking
Absolutely.
it ahead. Yeah.
Absolutely. So, Vandita, important question now.
Yes.
How has your association been with Easy Diner?
Oh my God. So I don't know Easy Diner from now. I have heard this name from as long as I can remember. I think it's been 8 years. I have worked with different organizations previously, and I have worked with the team before as well. I think there is, I don't know, should I use the word? It might offend few people. There is a class that is associated with Easy Diner overall. You know, when we think of these aggregators listing and, you know, coming on the platforms or something, the beauty of getting on with Easy Diner is you want to be there.
Yeah.
You know, because you want to be represented on that platform. It's been super smooth, and I love your interactions. Your POCs are perfect, on point. You know, I don't have to like stress about anything. The follow-ups are great, and it's been super smooth journey. And the awards, that is something that we all look after. You know, like I have visited 3 of your awards.
Oh, amazing.
And I think it's been a fun time more than anything else to be a part. And best part I like is those are critic associated awards.
Yes,
You know, the
yes.
actual awards that you're getting. So when
Correct.
there's a different feeling when you get actually awarded for your work.
True.
So that's been there, and I have always wanted to be a part of your team. I wish I could switch jobs and come on
my
that side and work as well. But yeah, I'm gonna get hit for this one. But yeah, no.
You,
But-
I will pass on my details.
But I think this beauty of the smoothness that I experience with you guys, I think I don't get it anywhere else. So yeah, that's a fun part.
Because
about
you know,
being-
we have tried to work the bridge between class and match. Because
Yeah.
you said about class, yes, you know, we tend. I'm sorry, I don't want to come across as
Yeah.
snooty or snobbish. But yes, you know, we do have a demarcation.
Yeah.
Second, we always work on the right fit and match for the restaurant.
Correct.
Because we understand, you know, it's not about deals, it's not about discounts, but it is people visiting you for your product.
Yes.
You know, for what you're
Yes.
providing, for the
Yes.
service you're providing. So that is what we abide by and stand by. Okay. So now, Vandita, something very crazy and very different that we have done. We have started something called the quick fire.
Oh my God, is that scary or what?
No, it's like a little bit of version like Kaun Banega Crorepati,
Oh
but then
my
you
God.
don't get the option
Oh
and you
no.
just hit the bullseye.
Do I get
okay?
1 crore at the end of it? No.
Let's pray for the views and the likes, huh?
that works as 1 crore for me.
Okay,
Yeah.
so 5 questions, quick answers, okay? All right, your favorite cuisine?
Rajasthani and Gujarati.
Rajasthani and Gujarati.
I
okay.
love it.
Travel destination, your favorite?
Oh my God, that's Dubai and Abu Dhabi.
Oh,
for
lovely.
Me.
Please come, please
Yes.
come. I would love to, you know, host you around and show you around. Next time you're there, please.
I think it's
You
because
know
of
whom
the
to give
ease
a
of
call.
travel, and you get everything in one place, and it just keeps developing every year.
Correct.
So that's why I love that place.
Correct.
Yeah.
And eating out or OTTs?
OTTs, absolutely. A very in-house person with house
Comfortable,
parties
no?
as well.
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
comfortable.
Correct,
I think at my age, it's perfect to do that. yeah.
And favorite color?
Black.
Black? Lovely. I'm wearing one today. And favorite aggregator?
Easy Diner.
Thank you so much, Vandita. And yes, it was such a, I think one of the best interviews I've taken
Thank you.
so far. It was so much fun and lovely to know about the product and brand that you have built. And we will keep on working together for all your present and all your upcoming brands.
Yes.
And we will raise a toast with a Kokum Sharbat
Oh wow.
to begin with.
Cheers to that. Cheers.